Welcome back, friends. Here in this tutorial, we will learn how to calculate the EOQ, that is the economic order quantity in Microsoft Excel. EOQ is one of the very useful concepts in inventory management which aims to minimize the total cost of ordering and holding the inventory and at the same time ensures regular supply of products to customer by avoiding stockout situation. To calculate EOQ, we need to have some information. These are annual requirement or demand units, ordering cost per order, and the holding cost per unit. After having these information, we can calculate EOQ by using a formula. The standard formula to calculate EOQ is square root of 2AO divided by C, where A is the annual demand units, O is ordering cost per order, and C is the holding or carrying cost per unit. Let's start using formula here to calculate EOQ. Press equals, then use the round function. This round function will remove the digit after decimal from the result because EOQ units cannot be in decimal. Open parentheses, and in the value parameter of round function, use the sqrt function. Open parentheses. In the value parameter of sqrt, write the formula of EOQ, that is 2AO divided by C. Close parentheses. Give a comma. In the number digits parameter of round function, put 0. Close parentheses and press enter. EOQ calculated as 158 units. This is the optimum order quantity that minimizes the inventory ordering and holding cost by reducing the risk of stockout situation. So, this is how we calculate the EOQ in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing this channel if you have not. See you in next tutorial.